What's going on here? He's choking. What's the matter? All he did was touch his throat. And he started choking. Come here. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? You suck something in your throat. You got a hair in your. What's the matter? What's the matter with you? You've been eating things you're not supposed to eat, huh? You all right? What's the matter? He's coughing.